Hey guys, we're out and about again doing another kind of like antique mall thing, thrift shops, checking it out. Family's in the car. We're about to get out and check out this place. We're in down in South Georgia, maybe North Florida. Not really going to disclose my location this time. You can ask in the comments why. But anyway, yeah, we're going to go in here and see what we can find. Maybe we can find some cool kits. Come with me. So I already found some evidence of model kits at this place. So go in here and show you a couple so far that I found. So when you come in, you start seeing all this NASCAR stuff. You know you're going to find something. It may not be what you want, but this place is loaded. Loaded, loaded, loaded. And here it is. Found this one down here. Never seen one like this, but it's a Johnny Light. This is the GTO. And it's like pre-painted or something. I don't know. Never saw one like this. So we get the top off. Somebody's already started it. Gonna make a race car. It's the Zero car. Okay, that's a fail. There's some parts to an old model something. It's like a rocket ship or something.
Yeah, like I know about vintage shape and stuff, so it's interesting. In that case, this is Jim Jr. Actually, Jim Jr. is from...
There's another big ship. $5 as is. I'm not going to open it up. Some ginormous sailboat by Monogram. 3701. Here's a cool snap type. Look at that. It's a whole truck. It feels like it's all there too. Snap tied 1/32 rig. 30 bucks. It's pretty neat. What is it? Monogram snap tie kit one. What is that? 1090. Huh, pretty cool. Alright, well, didn't find anything that I wanted to keep here, but still some interesting stuff. This store's full of all kinds of things. So, on to the next one.
Daddy, Star Wars.
Oh no. Ruthie's turned into Teen Wolf. So sometimes when you're just not having good luck at the antique store, you just do what you can do. How you like me? Robin Hood. I don't know, Raggedy Ann. Anyway, I know we're supposed to be looking for model cars. Ruthie, we're supposed to be looking for model cars. Stop it. So this is like the third or fourth antique store today. The first one I went to found some pretty, a few model kits. This one is a little different, and I don't find as much car related stuff. Sometimes you think you're getting close. You'll see something car related, and sometimes you will be like, oh, it's gonna be good, it's gonna be good. But then you start digging and you don't really find anything, so it's not always the best. But I do have something I want to show you guys, and I think you'll like it. So hold on just a second. Let me get the camera turned around and you'll see it. So you see these gas pumps? They're pretty cool. They're restored gas pumps. See this SO figurine here and some small gas pumps, and then something startled me behind me, and I turned around and it was this guy. I don't remember what his name is, but it's something Rat Roth or something like that. But he's been haunting me, and this is him. So I just wanted you guys to see that he really exists, and he lives here in this antique store. So smile, Mr. Fink. Alright, well, today was pretty much a bust. Went to a bunch of antique stores and pretty much just found antiques. Darn it. Wish they would label those stores model car stores, model car antique stores, antique model car stores. But they don't. So you just have to kind of do what you can do. Day ran out on me. I don't really have any more time. Saw some cool stuff. I didn't document it all. I didn't film everything, but yeah, it's just the way it is. So don't think every time you come to these that you're going to be so lucky as to find model cars every time, because you're not. So anyway, guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment, let me know what you thought about it. Tell me if you found any good, neat things at your antique stores, and if you have, I want to hear about them. But don't forget to go to the Facebook page, join that, all those things, Hobby Nut Models, all those in the description below. But I do appreciate you guys watching this, and we'll do it again sometime. I'll have to find some other antique stores. I'll run out of resources locally if I'm not careful. So you guys take care, and we will see you on the next one. Bye. Alright, I thought I was finished. I thought this day was a complete bust, and pretty much it was. But I'm at a Goodwill, and the last Goodwill I was at, I found a model ship. And this time I'm at Goodwill and I found a model ship. So I don't even build ships, but just to say this day wasn't totally blown, I'm gonna get this thing. It's $3.99, and I've already looked inside, and it's all there. It's like one of these almost like scratch build type deals. I'll probably never build it. My wife will have to yard sell it one day, but I'm getting it. All right, guys, we'll see you. Bye.